Hey guys, so today we're gonna be working on this exhaust. This is actually a full race exhaust, the rear end from a 2006 8th gen coupe Civic SI, yeah. And we got some pipe here. This is actually for my friend Mong, and we're gonna be welding him a new exhaust because this exhaust is pretty quiet. When he took this off his car, he actually, it was much louder and sounded better. And this kept the tone down very mild, so we're gonna weld him a new exhaust. We're gonna probably throw some pie cuts on it, all this V-band. And yeah, I'm gonna measure out everything, which I already measured out. We're gonna do it on the MIG welder, so we'll see how that goes. Hopefully I can make it nice for him. And for hangers right here, we're gonna use these rods, 1/2-inch rods I got from Amazon. So yeah, hopefully it goes well. What I did is took some measurements on these already and marked it in this one already. Gave them a little bit longer length just so I have more room to play with. It should be good. Hello? Okay, I'm gonna try to make a pie cut now. Alright, I just got done finishing the pie cuts. This is a lot. This took forever. Found a neat trick of doing pie cuts. So this is a 3-inch pipe, and I just marked 1.5 inch on the side right here, and 1.5 inch over here. And then I just put like a dot on this, and then I may put another dot somewhere else, like down here. And I just put the masking tape on it, and I did that for both sides, and I can just line it up, and I just kept flipping it over. There's another way. A guy I saw a video online where he was saying, or he was using a Sharpie, but that didn't really work too well because it kept rubbing off onto this paper over here I put over here, so it doesn't scratch the pipe, the tubing. So do that. You can get pretty decent pie cuts. And it doesn't really have to be perfect, it just needs to be close enough to where it's good. And then these are about 7.5 degrees, so to make 15 degrees total on each pie cut. So yeah.
Oh, you doing a vlog some today?
Yeah.
What's up?
What's up?
No more safety squids? Safety glasses?
It doesn't even matter, I already pretty much finished
Damn,
the pie cuts. Well, I think we'll still use it.
So which curve goes where?
Oh, we're gonna use all 4 curves. So we have each. So one's gonna be down here, one's gonna be right here, one's gonna be up here somewhere, over here, and one's gonna be down here.
Okay.
Yeah, this is gonna go swiggly. Alright, so far we have the bends done. We're just fabbing it, we're just mucking it up, putting it together with tape. Cutting one of the straights at the top. Yeah, this is a straight part right here, and then we're gonna need one more straight right there. Mock it up, and I'll probably weld it tomorrow or something. It's now the next week later, and I'm starting it on the exhaust again, and I forgot to record me tacking the exhaust welds so far, but I tacked them up and this is how they look so far. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Still need to put the straight on one of it, and then I can either start welding or I can figure out the shape of that right there. Okay, this is what I have for now, and so what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna cut the other pipe I have here in half, or about half or so, and then I'm gonna weld it onto the end part, and then pretty much start welding the stuff, and then I'm gonna wait till we have Mong's car and we have it lifted up, and then we can jack it up, put it on, and test fit it and try to figure out the angle where it best fits. There we go. That is pretty ugly. This is really hard. Hopefully I can get better while I do this though. This is where we're stopping today because we ran out of gas. Finished this piece. Welds kind of ugly, ain't gonna lie. We got started on this piece, but we ran out of gas obviously. That's how much gas we have left.
Hella gas.
Literally almost touching it if I can focus. I guess we're probably gonna clean these up a bit. I probably wire brush these, make it nicer. And then I don't know, we'll see if we want to go get gas today or something. Okay. It's now once again another week. So now I have it finished welded up, and we're gonna put it underneath. We're gonna mock it up, and then we're gonna see how it fits, and then tack weld it once it's mocked up. And then we gotta figure out the hanger situation. So the good thing is that we got it on, but this last pipe we didn't even use.
A whole week worth of work. We just we put it out. We're like, oh, that's not gonna work. Let's tack weld just the straight pipe from where the half of the exhaust that we made, and look at it. Like, so disappointed that I'm happy that it's easy, but I'm disappointed that that isn't working. So all that work. Yeah.
So yeah, we just end up just tack welding this straight. Like, that's kind of frustrating, but it could have been a lot worse. Now we got to do the hangers. We have these 1/2 inch rods that we're gonna have to figure out, cut and weld. But yeah. Okay, this is what we came up with. So we put the exhaust back on, well, it already was on, and then we put the hanger on, and then we did some rough measurements, and we just cut hanger pieces to fit onto it, and welded this on right here, and then welded this on, well, tack welded it on while I was on the car, and then we just finished welding the rest once we took it off. And since I still needed to finish welding this, I finished welding this, and now the exhaust is done. Now we just put it on, I guess. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Let's do a before and after, so let's get how it sounds. Oh shit, I forgot. All right, this is the first start. We'll see how this sounds. Please don't stop. Oh, oh. All right, we're gonna go test drive it and go get something to eat. I felt like it's quieter now though. Oh, that's way better from the inside.
Much quieter. Way less vibration during acceleration. Okay, this is way more doable now. Yeah. As a daily driver, because with just muffler or with no muffler, nah, that shit was vibrating all day.
Yeah.
And it still sounds the same from the outside, but it's like a way more chill inside, and that's kind of what I wanted.
Yeah.
So this is pretty chill.
sounds pretty good, dude.
That sounds like so smooth.
Yeah.
That's actually so sick.
It's not like freaking farty or like it's not like very tinny either.
No.
Or raspy.
That's super
It
smooth.
sounds good.
That's so weird.
Oh my goodness.
Like the windows up. With the windows up, usually. No, it's still
That's
chill.
perfect. Step on it a little bit.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Just press it a little more. No, that's perfect, dude. You can
This is
still
so
hear it.
chill,
Yeah. Alright, we're next to a bridge. Oh shit! That sounds sick as fuck!
Nice.
That sounds hella cool.
Super happy with that. Yeah, no, that sounds super sick. It did not sound like that before.
Yeah.
This is way nicer now.
And Loki kind of has like, oh, I don't know how to explain it. It kind of has like a supercar-ish sound to it. That's not a good.
Not like a good descriptive word.
Yeah.
I know what you mean.
I don't know, but it has like it has such a nice high-pitched tone to it, but it doesn't sound like a raspy 2-inch.
Like it sounds like almost V10-ish in its tone, right? Like
Yeah.
Like a high, yeah.
Yeah.
I for sure know what you mean. That's so weird.
Yeah, it sounds so good though.
I already know people gonna be hitting the comment section saying, that don't sound like no exotic. Cause it's a Honda. I don't care. It sounds nice.
Okay,
Oh yeah,
okay.
you can cruise around. You can go and do a pull.
God damn, this shit is cool.
Get the car without me. The clutch is hard in yours.
So like, what do you think of it?
I think it sounds really good. It's like not too obnoxious, not like a skunk 2. And it's like nicer than a complete full race, which was like a little bit muted. Oh, so nice. That's pretty loud, dude. Holy shit, that's pretty loud. I think that sounds super nice. Like, it doesn't sound like a typical Honda, which is weird, but it sounds super nice right now. I'm like so happy with it. I hope he does a second pull.
I missed. It sounds good though, dude.
Even off regular, missing the gear too. That still sound good.
Yeah. Oh, that echo. Oh, this sounds like a rally car, dude.
Also, this second, shake my head.
Dude, the limiter still sounds good though.
I bogged the dick, and then I missed second. Hey, but I didn't miss second the other side, but
Yeah. Oh, it sounds so good though. I'm pretty happy that it sounds good for you.
The two-step sounded nice too.
Yeah.
oh, that's good.
All right, thank you guys for watching this video, and I guess I'll see you guys on the next video, which will be pretty interesting. I'm happy for that video, so get excited, I guess.